Delve into art, architecture, and design with Srijan Design Academy SDA and thrive in exams, college, and career. Welcome to SDA Drawing Tips and Tricks.
We are going to make a 3D composition today using 3 shapes only: a cuboid, a sphere, and a cone. Starting with the cube or cuboid. You can use the scale if required. Second shape I'm going to make will be a cone, so let's place it here. And a sphere over the cube or cuboid, whatever you are going to make. To give it a more clean look, I'm going to erase all the extra lines. Some simple types of hatching. First one will be the simple shade you do like this. Try to do it in a same way, like in the same direction. Second one will be the lines type. Same direction only. Third one will be crisscross in the opposite direction. Now we are going to create some shadow in these shapes. Let's assume our light source is somewhere over here and light is falling like this. Let's start with cone. I'm doing some simple shading here, and we are going to shade the half side of this. To give them a more finished look, we are going to highlight the lines and make them darker. We'll start from here. So that's how our finished drawing looks.
To buy our detailed study material online, WhatsApp us on 70420646648 or ping us on Instagram. For more questions, drop a comment on our video. Subscribe us to Thrive in Exams, College, and Career.